Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 4-tier shelving unit from Parkside, ideal for your cellar, workshop or garage. Shelves with a load capacity of 50 kg each with evenly distributed load. Included 4 height adjustable shelves with all-round metal edge protection, adjustable without tools. 75, 150 and 30 cm is the diameter with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manuals, so many accessories. Definitely I will show you one by one how you can use them and assembly. Okay, so many metals. We have 8 of these with arrows here indicating this is the upper. So I need 2. Then I will use one of these. These are total 8. So how you can assemble it now? Decide the height between the shelves and start assembly. So I will start from the lowest. There it is. Press and it will lock. Same in here. Just slide these 2 metals inside here. Bend a little bit if one of the metal doesn't align. Perfect. There it is. So easy. So another one goes here. Beautiful. So I need to make another one. Up, up, this needs to go at the upper, so the wood, it will fit here, the shelf. Just bend this area here and then you can lock it inside. It looks like that. You need to measure how many gaps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then install here, because we need to have the same as the other one. Okay, beautiful. And then I need the larger, that will go here. Again, you can bend a little bit. And install that inside. Same you need to do and at this area and here and here. We have these 4 metals are to connect between here, because this is 75 centimeter and another 75 centimeter. You need to connect them both here. Now, because this unit is very large, I will show you in the end the result, but it is very easy to do, no worries about that. And then it goes here inside. So that's how you can have two pieces connected. Before connecting both, use a hammer, because you need this metal to go all the way inside and it will lock. We have in these plastics are the feet here. And at the top. For the bottom, 4 corners, and at the top. Total 8. And we have these 4 metals. You can use these metals and connect them here at the middle of this metal. What I like most is the tier layout, the extra storage space it creates, and how easily it can help turn a cluttered area into a more organized workspace. Are you fed up with tripping over loose toolboxes, random paint tins, and messy gardening equipment? Editing a few of these shelves will transform your space. They provide industrial-grade strength at an affordable price, only 15 euros. I added another 4, total 8, so you need another 15 euros. There's nothing more satisfying than taking a chaotic pile of clutter off your floor and organizing it vertical so that you can actually find things. At a fraction of the cost of premium custom cabinetry, they are one of the most practical upgrades you can make to your home. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on Parkside products, workshop organization tips, and practical DIY content. Thanks for watching, stay organized, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.